Welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to install a 2.5-inch SATA drive in the OWC Mercury Elite Pro Mini USB-C drive enclosure. We've already gathered our materials and are working on a soft static-free surface. We're now ready to begin. The first step is to remove the two Phillips screws in the bottom that are holding the enclosure closed. You can now slide the inner chassis out of the shell. The SATA connector on the drive connects to this socket in the drive bay. Simply align the two and slide them together. To secure the drive, we'll need the smaller Phillips screws that came with the enclosure. The first connection is here on the side of the chassis. The second is the same spot on the opposite side. Flip the unit over and add the final two screws in these two positions. You can now slide the inner chassis back into the outer shell. Make sure the holes in the shell line up with the ones in the inner chassis. Then secure them together with the two screws that held them together earlier, along with the two matching screws that were included in the package. Finally, you can install the rubber feet by first peeling off the paper backing on each foot, then pressing them into place over each of the screws you just installed. Your OWC Mercury Elite Pro Mini is now ready to format and use.